Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Hyundai Sonata key battery. Start by pressing the release tab and sliding out the emergency key, then use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the fob shell at the seam. Remove the old CR 2032 battery with care, noting its orientation, and replace it with the new one. Snap the shell back together and test the buttons to confirm the remote works. With the emergency key removed, position the fob on a soft cloth and insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam where the two halves meet. Twist gently while applying light upward pressure, feeling for plastic tab release points. Work slowly to prevent cracking the housing. Once separated, set the halves aside carefully and get ready to access the battery compartment without touching the circuit contacts directly to avoid static damage. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more helpful how-tos. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading car manuals and quick repair guides anywhere, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that pairs nicely with garage work. I've included a link and other deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Observe the battery orientation and gently remove the old CR 2032 from its clip using plastic tweezers or a fingertip. Avoid touching the circuit board contacts and clean any debris in the compartment. Insert the new CR 2032 with the positive side facing up, ensuring it sits flush and makes contact with the clip. Reassemble the shell by lining up the tabs, pressing firmly until it snaps. Then reinsert the emergency key and test the remote functions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.